but just as much. With about everyone in line. They don't know this yet. They still know they're like 5 hours left to wait. Welcome everyone to the world famous Jungle Cruise. We are famous around the world for being world famous. Have a Maddie, and I'll be your skipper. Oh, and they actually have to be sitting on their back pockets for me. Yep, back pockets. Thank you so much. I'll be your skipper, your guide, your host, your best friend, and if you don't laugh at my jokes, I will be your swimming instructor. Oh, and if anything falls into the river today, please just raise your hand. And then I will raise my hand and we will wave goodbye to it together. You'll probably never see it again. We are starting our journey here on the Amazon River where it rains 365 days a year. Except for today, it must be a leap year. Over here we have remain seated, my friend. Yeah, just remain seated, because then we have to stop the boat every time you stand up. Thank you so much. The Inspiration Falls inspires people to go deeper into the jungle, so say woo, say ah, say Skipper Maddie, you're doing a great job. Thank you for the inspiration. Onward. We are now on the Congo River. Let's see how far we can go. Yeah, if you didn't like that one, it's going to be a long 10 minutes. They're only going to get worse. Okay, show of hands. Who here has seen the Jungle Book? Okay, well, if you haven't, don't worry. It's right there. Yeah, 3D, live action. You're going to love it. They painted it green. They should have painted it blue. If you enjoy your cruise today, go ahead and live your own canoe from both Fates and Bites for your own adventure. But it doesn't look like anyone's selling canoes today. I can't see anyone. Canoe? I told you the jokes are going to get worse. I was not lying about that. Be very careful, everyone. You do not want to get too close to this python. He can get a crush on you, and it's a very constricting relationship. You don't want to get wrapped up in that. Alright, and on this next thing, we have the... Oh no. Can you believe this? This is awful. They painted my sheets blue. Well, at least I got that trusty turn on. That's never going to turn on. We are now on the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you are in. You're in the boat. Come on, everyone, let's wake up. Up ahead, we have the African elephant. And did you know that elephants have the best memory in the entire jungle? I wish I had a memory like that. Oh, and over here we have the African elephant. Did you know that elephants have the best memory in the entire jungle? I wish I had a memory like that. We have a very special guest from the new Jungle Cruise movie. Please welcome The Rock. Oh, wait a minute, that is a rock. Hey, it's still one of our bolder attractions. Don't take it for granted. Oh, wow, look at all these animals. We have some long-necked cheetahs, some black and white striped horses, and those are the guys that trampled Mufasa. Oh, look at this. It looks like that pride of lions is taking care of that sleeping zebra. That zebra looks dead. Tired! Don't worry, everyone, it's just dead tired. It's the circle of life. This is the part where you clap. Thank you again, thank you. See, I'm a middle child, and you'll be attention I can get. You see, I told them that Felix not to argue with a rhino, because they always get their point across. And if they don't get it now, they get it in the end. And this is the part of the cruise where I have to point out my favorite plant in the entire jungle. That one. Over here, my two very good friends, Ginger and Smiley. Ginger Snap. And up ahead we have Shawaiker Falls. Shawaiker Falls is named after the founder of the Jungle Navigation Company, Albert Falls. You didn't know what about that. We'll go over it later. Oh, that reminds me, they always say that captain goes down to your ship, and the skipper thinks that's on your own. We really back you up. How's your job here as a skipper? I can always explain to sea. I took a crash course. My career never really took off, and I've been winging it ever since. Yeah, we're only halfway through, folks. Okay, so it looks like we have just entered a dangerous pool of hippopotamus. Oh, but don't worry, I know they're awful. They're also the same way. They have no last relationship. Okay. Hello, girls. Do you want to meet my parents? Let's get a dog together. believe that monkeys get away. You know what? That is absolutely not true. Oh, well, maybe then. Oh, wow. They are going bananas. We better. Banana jokes, I have a bunch. Seems like some of you do find them appealing. You know, we probably used to make the hole smaller than the bugs. Those butterflies, though, now we're used to the caterpillars. Alright, everyone, this is the moment you have all been waiting for. The eighth wonder of the world. The backside of the water. That's right, I make chemistry jokes periodically. I have a good one about oxygen and potassium. Actually, no, it's just okay. We are now on the Mekong River, and let me tell you, that temple up there is Mekong. Be nervous. Oh, and this is the part of the cruise where there's going to be a 50% for buckle protein cup for any I'll take you back. Don't worry, I'm just kidding. This was a nasty though. What do I know? Or should I say, what do I know? Wait a minute. These are elephants. I definitely read the map wrong. But hey, did you know that elephants have the best memory needs Tower Jumbo? I wish I had a memory like that. And up ahead, we can see two baby elephants standing in front of a full moon. Nature is truly amazing. Diane, what are you doing? Hey, you! Put that down. Yeah, sometimes these elephants flashes. Don't worry, I have some... Stop. Sorry, I saw that duck up there and I got really excited. You know, a lot of people have the water coming out of their nose. But it's not. Alright everyone, this is Disney World after all, do you know what that means? We have a gift shop. That is right, coming up ahead is Trader Sam's gift shop. But it does have a Trader Sam's in today. That's kind of weird. But do not worry, we do not leave the monkeys in charge. The elephants does. Oh, and hey, did you know that elephants have some stats from underneath Tower Jungle? I wish I had a memory like that. Alright everyone, we are about to be returning to civilization. So, to increase your chances of survival, please remain seated with your hands on the feet and legs inside the boat at all times and watch your children. Watch them all, watch your favorites. I don't know your life.